Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Geographic on Fire TV step by step clearly. To activate National Geographic on Fire TV, start by turning on your Fire TV device. Once it's on, navigate to the home screen. Use your remote to scroll through the menu and find the search icon. Select the search icon and type in National Geographic. Choose the National Geographic app from the search results. Select the app to open its page. Then, click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the National Geographic app. You will see an activation screen displaying a code. Take note of the code displayed on your TV. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Go to the activation website provided on the screen. Enter the activation code from your TV into the specified field. Then, log in with your cable provider or streaming service credentials. Follow any additional prompts until the activation is completed. Once activated, return to your Fire TV. The National Geographic app will refresh and grant you access. You can now start watching your favorite shows on National Geographic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.